we've succeeded in bringing the main part, the main board where the whole thing is hidden inside, and I'm just taking a look at it. The other parts which littered around here, a lot of things we removed too. Okay, so it's inside here. If you see inside here, there's a lot of oil inside that very place, so that's it's leaking gas inside that place, and it's taking it all the way into the driver vent side. And that's what's causing commotion, which we diagnosed and we're about to fix. So we're going to open this compartment here and get this evaporator replaced, and when we get it replaced, then we get it back in order, one piece, and our job here should be done. Pretty much this is a Lexus RX350, sorry, and other components up here, because we don't have a lot of space inside here. This is actually an outdoor work that we came to do, so we can see some other things here, like the oh shit, you can see even the filter is so clogged up with dirt and debris. A lot of things missed here, our tools. So guys, one of the most important thing I want to let you guys know is that when we make a diagnostics and we say this is the problem, we have 99% chance that that's actually the problem. We're not guessing, we're not doing trial and error, and that's the proficiency behind whatever we do. Have a lot of circuit which we disconnected here. If you take a look at it, please, I don't recommend DIY on this project. Whenever you're trying to change evaporator, you need experience and you need someone who have a recollective memory of getting things back and forth without making a mess, because if you don't, my dear, it's a very big problem. The circuitry, the wiring harness on this car, I think Toyota is going to be thinking of us much like some of us, so I'm going to be taking you down to the part where we're going to be removing the evaporator. Okay guys, here is it. I don't know if you guys can see the oil deposit here, but you can see it somewhere here, down there. So a lot of debris down here, and it's actually because it's having a leak. So we've got the new one we're going to use to replace it, and this is your heater here. Every other thing is here. Okay, this is the old one and this is the new one. So you can see the color are two different things here. So this one is bad because it's having a leakage down here, and the refrigerant is coming right in the vent, while this one is still clean. So we're gonna be installing this one right inside our box, and our job should be done. Okay, let's get it started, guys.